Hey everyone, this is Anshul Srivastava from Bitquick Academy, your React.js tutor. And in today's video, we are going to walk through the complete setup process for a React.js project, and we are doing it from scratch. So whether you are completely new to React or you just need a refresher on the setup process, this video is for you. So let's dive into this. So as we know that we are reading React, we are understanding React, and just let me quickly give you a revision for it again. So React, we know it's a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It's widely used for creating single page applications, and it's developed and maintained by Facebook. So the best part of React, it's a component-based architecture which help us to build reusable UI components in an efficient manner. So before we begin, make sure you have the Node.js installed on your computer. So let me share my screen. I'll show you how we can download it and from where we can download it. Here I have opened the official website of React.js. We'll come into this later on. Before that, we'll go through the Node.js official website. Actually, I have already Node.js installed on my system. So let me show you the link from where you can download it. You have to open the first link. It is the official website. I'll mention this link um, in the caption. So it will automatically smell your operating system and you can download it from here. It is as simple process like you normally download any software for your computer. From here you can download it. And once the download is done, you can install it by doing next, and then you can open the terminal and then you can type node dash version. So I have this Node.js version downloaded on my system, you can see. So now let's move into the next step. So once you have Node.js installed, then we will go through the React setup process. Okay, so let me give you an overview why we use Node.js for React. Because React relies on Node.js. It is the development server and package management, right? So we use it for installing libraries and dependencies, which we use in React.js, as it comes with NPM, Node Package Manager. So, all right, let's get started with the setting up our first React project. So first open your terminal or you have command prompt. And we are going to make a simple create React application. But if you see on the React website, there are different types of React project which you can use as per your project needs. So here we have Next.js as well. If you want to create a Next.js project, you can do the installment from here. If you want to create a React router server base, you can do it from here. If you want to create mobile apps, you can use this command. But right now, as it is a very starting of the React, so I'm going to tell you how you can do it in the most simple way. So here, what we can do, we have to just simply type. So here we have to simply type npm install -g create React app. So I'm using a Mac operating system here, so I have to type sudo keyword here. -g means globally I'm installing this, but if you're using a Windows operating system, you can simply type npm install and -g create React app. So this will install this tool. It requires a password at once for installing in Mac. So I will put the password here. So now this will start installing the create React app in my directory in my system as well. So why we are using this Create React app actually. So Create React app is a tool which set up everything which we need for React application. So without configuring things manually, we can use this tool and it set up the Webpack, Babel, and other necessary configuration for us. So after this, we have to go to the next command. Here, we have to type npx create React app, and here you have to mention your project name, which you can give any other name which you want. I'm just simply giving this name to my React app, and will start installing the process for my application. It will take like 4 to 5 minutes depending on this internet speed. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes. Once your project setup is done, it will look like this. So let's open this in our VS Code and we'll start our React app. You can simply open your project from here, or you can simply do it from the terminal itself. And we'll start the command npm start. So this is the project structure of our React application. You can see here, and we have our React application going to open in the Google Chrome. And this is how it look like. So this is the project directory which we have. Like we have src, where we have the JS files of React application, and in public we have like our images and logos and other files. And this is the node modules, which includes the dependencies installed in our React applications. So basically, public HTML, you can say it's more kind of asset folder. You can put whatever like HTML file or other icons or logos in the public folder. And in SRC, you can say that it is the place where our code lives. So app.js is the main component that renders to the screen. And then we have this package.json file. So this file manages our project dependencies, scripts, and metadata. So if you make any changes in the app.js file, you will see the changes reflecting on your server. So we'll check into this. You can simply replace it and type here. We'll save it. And you'll see the changes here, right? So yeah, that's how we have configured our first React app, and rest we'll do in the next video. So meanwhile, you can more explore by going through the official website. You can try different other installations from the official documentation. So I hope you like this video. You can follow us on our Instagram page and also can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'll answer it, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.